Chicago, the Windy City. Serving Chicago and the surrounding suburbs for over 50 years, Allied Waste Services has revolutionized recycling in the Chicagoland area. We operate 6 recycling facilities in the area and service a variety of customers such as small and large businesses, medical facilities, sport venues, and office buildings. Throughout metropolitan Chicago, consumers, builders, and architects are just a few of the groups taking advantage of new green building technologies. As our customers, they expect the waste generated to be recycled in the most efficient manner possible. Located just 2 miles from downtown Chicago, our new construction and demolition recycling facility is built with state-of-the-art Machinex equipment and is the first of its kind in the Chicago metropolitan area. We have the capacity to process up to 1,500 tons of recyclable C&D material per day. Our facility exemplifies our commitment to be the region's largest recycler by offering communities and businesses sustainable recycling options for today and tomorrow.
By taking advantage of today's new technology, this facility is able to recover 90% of all recyclable materials. We employ both automated and manual sort techniques to achieve this goal.
Designed specifically to accept commingled loads, the facility processes C&D materials generated from a variety of sources during construction, building, renovations, and demolition of buildings, roads, and bridges. The waste stream is comprised of wood, drywall, metals, concrete, dirt, and cardboard, all materials that can be reused and recycled. In the Chicago area, C&D debris is the second largest component of the region's waste stream, just behind municipal solid waste. To address this significant waste stream, the City of Chicago now requires contractors to recycle at least 50% of C&D debris. Qualifying for LEED certification from the U.S. Green Building Council has driven the demand for C&D recycling as well. Contractors are seeing a growing requirement from their customers to employ green building technologies in their projects. In turn, builders and developers are counting on certified C&D recycling programs to gain 2 out of the 13 points awarded by the USGBC in the Materials and Resources category. Let's take a closer look at the C&D recycling process. At our construction and demolition recycling facility, we handle the entire recycling process. To begin, C&D debris is unloaded and fed through a heavy-duty industrial shredder to produce smaller, manageable pieces. The material is then moved by conveyor to the initial sorting lines, where cardboard and rejects are removed by hand and deposited into individual chutes for storage before going to an end market. 2 more chutes are available on this sorting line to collect various materials such as mixed metals, OCC, or large items. The chutes offer flexibility to adapt to incoming debris materials. On the main line, materials are separated into 2 categories according to size. Fine materials, which are materials under 2.5 inches, and fractions, larger than 2.5 inches. Fine materials are taken out and sent to another sorting line where metal particles are mechanically removed using a magnetic process. The fine material collected at the end of the line will be used as an upgraded ground material. Meanwhile, on the main sorting line, suction systems are used to remove light materials such as plastic bags, paper, and styrofoam. These mixed light materials are sent to a secondary line where they will be processed by an optic sorter that will extract paper from the rest of the materials with an accuracy of 98%. The paper taken out will join cardboard that has been previously sorted manually. These finished materials reach the baler, where the material is compacted for transport. Returning to the main line, drywall and asphalt shingles are manually removed and sent to their designated chutes for collection. An innovative sink float system, commonly known as a water bath system, now separates the wood from the heavy materials. While wood pieces and chips float on the surface of the water bath, heavy materials sink to the bottom, where they are collected and sent to another working line. One interesting feature of this system is the water treatment unit, which filters wastewater, recycles it, and returns it to the flotation system, thus saving money and reducing environmental impact. After leaving the flotation tanks, an air blower helps dry the wood. This water bath process separates out close to 98% of wood. The wood material then goes to another sorting line for an inspection to ensure the wood is clean and free of debris. The wood then enters a shredder that reduces the wood into pieces 2.5 inches or smaller. Next on the line, an electromagnetic device removes all ferrous materials. Wood that has been shredded, cleaned, and separated of all contaminants is now ready to be reused in a variety of applications, rather than ending up in a landfill, where this material traditionally ended up. Now let's go back and take a look at the heavy materials sorting line, just after the water bath process. On this working line, each material is removed by a specific process. Ferrous metals, such as screws, nails, staples, and metal rods, are removed magnetically and sent to a lateral chute where they are collected. Copper and aluminum are manually removed from the line and collected in a bunker below. The remaining material is made up of a combination of brick, rock, and concrete, known as mixed rock, which is collected at the end of the line.
The growing demand for building green requires a convenient, easy, and cost-competitive solution for recycling, construction, and demolition debris. By accepting mixed and unsorted waste in one centrally located container, I believe this facility will provide by far the most desirable solutions companies are seeking in order to recycle their C&D waste.
Our C&D materials recovery process is designed to promote environmental sustainability while also being user-friendly. Just a few of the uses for the materials recovered include wood chips and particles can be used as fuel at power plants, wood chips for playground, feedstock for new paper, and mulch. Recovered metals, mixed rock, plastic, and fine materials are collected and sold to the market for reuse by a variety of industries. Recovered cardboard and paper is sold to the recycled fiber market. And asphalt shingles are recovered and used in making new shingles, fuel, and as new road base material. We are the premier construction and demolition recycler in the Chicagoland area. Our purpose is to meet your recycling needs. We lead the industry in sustainability goals and have years of experience to help you meet your LEED certification goals. You can count on our reputation and integrity every time we certify your waste load and provide the documentation required for compliance with municipalities and the U.S. Green Building Council. Today, more than ever before, concerns regarding environmental building and managing precious resources are of utmost importance. Providing you with the latest technology options to manage your waste disposal demands and challenges is our mission. We are always committed to exceeding your expectations.